Hello students, today I am going to teach you 21st lesson in your textbook, that is graphs. In this lesson, first you have to learn the graphs of type y equals mx plus c. You have learned this in grade 9 also. The coefficient of x, the symbol is m, we call gradient. This is gradient of the graph. And c, the constant value. This is intercept of the graph. Let's start to draw this graph y equals 2x plus 3. First you have to fill this table. Substitute minus 2 for x. 2 multiplied by minus 2 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3. It is minus 1. Here value is minus 1. Second one, substitute minus 1. 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. It is plus 1. Here value is plus 1. Substitute 0. 2 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 plus 3, it is plus 3. 2 multiplied by 1. 2 plus 3, it is 5. Here value is 5. 2 multiplied by 2. Plus 3, 4 plus 3, it is 7. Now I complete the table. Now we can draw the graph. Name axis as x and y. And x-axis minus 2 to plus 2. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. And y-axis minus 1 to plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now mark these values. Minus 2 comma minus 1. This one minus 2 minus 1. Second one minus 1 plus 1. Third one 0 comma 3. 1 comma 5. Last one is 2 comma 7. Now draw a straight line joining these points. Now I complete the graph. It is a straight line passing through 3 at y-axis. The gradient of this graph is 2. You can see here coefficient of x is 2. But we can use this formula to find the gradient. Gradient is equal difference of y coordinates divided by difference of x coordinate. I am going to take these 2 points as A and B. This one A and this one B. Now what are the coordinates of A? It is 2, 7. Coordinates of B. It is 1, 5. Now take this coordinate as x1, y1. This one x coordinate, this one y coordinate. Take this one as x2, y2. Now find the gradient. Gradient is equal difference of y coordinates divided by difference of x coordinates. Here's y1 7, y2 5, 7 minus 5. x1 2, x2 is 1, 2 minus 1. 7 minus 5 2, 2 minus 1 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Now using this formula and taking the coordinates of these 2 points, you obtain the gradient as 2. Now look at the equation again. Here gradient also 2. If you are given coordinates of any 2 points, by using these 2 points, you can find the gradient without drawing the graph. Without drawing the graph, using the coordinates of 2 points, you can find the gradient of the graph. Let's start to find gradients. Find the gradient of straight line that passes through each pair of points. You have to find the gradient of the straight line that passes through these 2 points without drawing the graph. Take this coordinate as x1 and y1. This one x coordinate, this one y coordinate. Take this one as x2 and y2. Now the formula we can use is gradient is equal difference of y coordinates divide by difference of x coordinates. y1 is 11, y2 is 1, 11 minus 1. x1 is 2, x2 is 0, 2 minus 0. 11 minus 1, it is 10. Divide by 2, 5. The answer is, gradient is 5. Now look at the second example. Take this one as x1, y1. Take this one as x2, y2. Gradient is equal difference of y coordinates divided by difference of x coordinates. y1 is minus 3. y2 is 5. x1 is 3. x2 is minus 1. You have to subtract these two values, 3 and minus 1. You have to put another minus sign in between these two. So write this one within brackets. If you write two minus signs, write this number within brackets. Minus 3 minus 5, same sign. Add and put that sign, minus 8. Minus multiplied by minus. Minus sign multiplied by minus sign, it is plus. It is plus 1. Minus 8 divided by plus 4. Answer is minus 2. Gradient is minus 2. Now look at the third example. Gradient is equal difference of y coordinates divided by difference of x coordinate. Take this one as x1, y1. Take this one as x2, y2. y1 is 1. y2 is minus 1 and half. Subtract 1 and minus 1 and half from 1. So put this within brackets. If you are writing two minus signs, write the second one, this number within brackets. 1 minus minus 1 and half. And difference of x coordinates, 2 minus minus 3. Again write within brackets. Now remove brackets. Minus multiplied by minus, it is plus 1 and half. Again minus multiplied by minus, it is plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 1 and half, it is 2 and half. Divide by 5. 2 and half, convert it into improper fraction. It is 5 divided by 2. Write this divide by 5 like this. 2 and half, convert into improper fractions. It is 5 over 2. Then division line, write this using this symbol. Divide by 5. Write it as divide by 5. Now 5 divided by 2. Division. Convert this into a fraction. You can write it as 5 over 1. This is a whole number. Convert it into a fraction. 5 divided by 1. And convert division into multiplication and take the reciprocal of second one. It is 1 over 5. You can cancel these two. Answer is half. Gradient is equal to half. Next you have to learn to find the equation of a straight line. Now look at this question. For each of the graph with given the intercept is given, passes through the given point is this one. Write down the equation of the corresponding function. It means you have to write the equation in the form y equals mx plus c type. Let's start the first one. Intercept is 3. The symbol we use for intercept is c. c equal 3. And this one is x coordinate and this one is y coordinate. Now I am going to substitute these values in the formula y equals mx plus c. Y coordinate is 6. Substitute here 6. You have to find m. m multiplied by x. mx means m multiplied by x. For x coordinate substitute 3. For c substitute again 3. Substitute these values in this equation y equals mx plus c. 6 equal m multiplied by 3, 3m plus 3. Now subtract 3 from 6. It is 3. Now divide both sides by 3. M equal 1. Now you have to substitute values for m and c in this equation. Y equals mx plus c. m is 1, 1x. c is 3. It is not necessary to write 1, write just only x. This is the equation of the straight line, y equals x plus 3. Now look at the second one. Intercept is given and the coordinate of one point also given. This is c equal -2. This one x coordinate, this one y coordinate. By using these values, find the value of m. Y is 3 and x is 1. C is -2. Now take -2 into left side, it becomes +2. And here 1m. 3 plus 2, 5. It is not necessary to write 1. So just write m. m equals 5. Now substitute the values of m and c in this equation. m is 5, 5x. c is -2. This is the equation of the straight line. Y equals 5x minus 2. Now look at third one. Intercept is 1, x coordinate and y coordinate. Y equals mx plus c. Y is -4. m multiplied by x. X is -10. c is +1. First take +1 into left side. It becomes -1. Here -10m. -4 -1. Add and put that side. Divide both sides by -10. These two cancel. 5 divided by 10. Simplest answer is half. Minus divided by minus plus. M equal half. Y equals mx plus c. Y. M is half. C is 1. The equation of the straight line is y equal half x plus 1. Next question. Find the equation of the straight line that passes through the given points. Here coordinates of 2 points are given. Using coordinates of these 2 points, you have to find the equation of the straight line in the form y equals mx plus c. I am going to take this coordinate as x1, y1. Take this as x2, y2. You can find gradient difference of y coordinates divided by difference of x coordinate. y1 is 1. Here y1 minus y2. y2 is -7. Write it within brackets. x1, 2. x2 minus 2. Subtract y1 and y2. If here -1, write it within brackets. Now remove brackets. Minus multiplied by minus, it is plus. Again minus multiplied by minus, it is plus. 1 plus 7, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 8 divided by 4, it is 2. M is 2. Now we have find M. Now you have to find C. To find C, use this equation. Y equals mx plus c. Take the coordinate of this point or this one and substitute it here. I am going to take this one. It is easier because these two coordinates have minus signs. It is difficult to substitute minus values and simplify. So I am going to substitute these two as x and y in this equation. Here y is 1, x is 2, y is 1, x is 2. Here we already found m. M is 2. 2 multiplied by 2. Substitute the coordinates of this point or this one. You can use any one into this equation. I select this coordinate 2, 1. Substitute 2 here, substitute 1. And m is 2. 2 multiplied by 2, 4 plus c. Take 4 into left side. 1 minus 4. It is -3. Now c is -3. Now you can write the equation of the straight line. Y equals mx plus c. M is 2 and C is minus 3. Substitute it here. 2x minus 3. Substitute 2 for M, substitute minus 3 for C. This is the straight equation of the straight line. It is y equals 2x minus 3. Now look at the second example. Take this coordinate as x1, y1. This one x2, y2. First find the gradient. Gradient is equal difference of y coordinates divided by difference of x coordinates. y1 is minus 14, y2 11, x1 3, x2 minus 2. When you are writing minus term, write it within brackets. Minus 14 minus 11, it is minus 25. Minus multiplied by minus plus. Minus 25 divided by 5, it is minus 5. Gradient is minus 5. Y equals mx plus c. Substitute minus 5 for m, and I am going to substitute this coordinate for x and this one for y. Y is minus 14, m is minus 5 and x is 3. Minus 14 and 5 multiplied by 3 minus 15. Take minus 15. Take minus 15 into left side, it becomes plus 15. Plus 1. C is equal to plus 1. Now substitute value of m and c in this equation. M is minus 5. C is plus 1. Minus 5x plus 1. This is the equation of the straight line. Look at the third example. Name these coordinates as x1, y1, x2, y2. Gradient is equal to difference of y coordinates divided by difference of x coordinates. y1 3, y2 it is minus 2. x1 1 over 3 minus 4 over 3. Now remove brackets. Minus multiplied by minus plus. 3 plus 2, it is 5. Here two fractions with same denominator. Now you can add numerators. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 divided by 3. I am going to write this as 5 divided by 5 over 3. Write this line as symbol. Instead of this line, write this symbol. 5 divided by 5 over 3. Now convert division into multiplication and take the reciprocal. You can cancel these two. Gradient is equal to 3. Now take this equation y equals mx plus c. Substitute any coordinate. I am going to substitute this coordinate because here minus for both x and y. It is difficult when you are substituting minus values and simplification. So I am going to substitute this one for x and y. And y is 3. M is plus 3. X is 1 over 3. Now you can simplify these two. 3. 1 plus c. Subtract 1 from this side. C equal 2. Now substitute values for y equals mx plus c. M is 3. C is 2. 3x plus 2. This is the equation of the straight line that passes through these 2 points. That is all for today. Goodbye everyone.